All right, I'm gonna show you how to change the battery here on this key fob. It's for a 2010 Infiniti G37x. First, what you wanna do is take the key out. And what you wanna do is just slide this back and the key pop out. Then what you wanna do is take your knife, something, put in this little slot and pry it open. You're gonna hear it click, just go on around. Then you have your battery here. This battery in here is 2032. So that's 20 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters in thickness. So what you want to do is just take your knife and pop the battery out. And that's it. And that's all to it. And then you want to put the new battery in. You want to put the positive side down. You see the plus? It's gonna go down and it'll snap in place. Just put the top back on and you hear it click. And that's it. And hit the unlock and hit the lock. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.